Good evening, everyone. This meeting is hosted to discuss about the project that has been made by my teammates Vidush, Tejas, and Akash under the guidance of Professor Vanmati C. So, my team has developed a booking website for adventure water sports named Beach Vibes. These are the contributions that are made by my teammates Tejas and Vidush. Now, let's see the website. So basically, this website Beachwise is used to uh, book the tickets for various water sports such as kayaking, scuba diving, parasailing, banana boat ride, flyboarding, jet skiing. As we all know, water sports is being loved by many people during these days, and it has been uh, it has become increasingly famous in the present time. So our website displays the information about the various sports such as kayaking, like what is the sport kayaking, and like it gives the details about the location where kayaking will take place and the minimum age that is 16 years which is required to do kayaking and the price for the each individual and for a group of person. Also, it also tells us about the high like benefits of doing water sports such as kayaking helps in increasing the muscle strength. It helps in increasing the torso and leg strength and helps in improved cardiovascular fitness. Also, and in this way, we have made the given the information about different water sports, which will for which the tickets will be booked on this website. So also we have made a gallery which will display the moments that are which captures the moments enjoyed by the people. And also this website consists of a login page where you can store your details such as email, password, and this sign up page is made for storing the data of the user who is visiting this website, such as in his name, last name, address, email, date of birth, gender, phone number. Also, uh, if we if the individual who is booking who is booking tickets for the water sports has to contact the agency, then he can use the this contact number, and we have also given the address of our office. And if he is not and if it is not feasible for the person to travel to our office, then he can email us or he can write a text message to us in this form. Now let us discuss about the back end of this website. Like suppose if I uh, insert my email id, or suppose, okay, I will insert my email id, Akash Das in 1234 at the rate gmail.com, and my password is Anuradha and 796. If I submit my details in this login page, then the details of the user will be submitted successfully, and also it will be stored in our backend, which is made using the MongoDB, and you can see the details of the username like this. You can see the various details of the users who have visited the website, such as recently I inserted my email ID. So here is my email ID and my password. And similarly, we can store the email addresses and the records of various people who are using our website using this database MongoDB, and we have joined this the backend with the front end using Express.js. Also, our website displays the information such as the services that will be included in the package, such as free coffee and all the equipments that will be used for a particular water sport will be provided by the organization. And we will also offer transportation from hotel to the pickup point, and like the pick and drop facility will be available, uh, will be made available by our organization for uh, and like there are various the motive behind making this website was as water sports has been widely recognized by many people, and it is also uh, then this sport is so famous, and various people from around the world come to Goa, India, for doing water sports that sometimes people don't get the reservations, or they don't get the option to do their activity. So using this website, they can pre-plan their trip and like pre-plan their trip and come on the day of the booking and enjoy with their family. And so I have told you about kayaking. Now let us tell you about some more water sports, just scuba diving. Like scuba diving, as you all know, is a mode of underwater diving, and it will also happen in North Goa. And minimum age for doing scuba diving is 10 years, and the price will be around 3,000 per person. So the highlights of doing scuba diving is while we remain under like diving brings you closer to the nature, literally and figuratively speaking. You see a lot of creatures underwater, and you feel excited, you feel refreshed, and also if the user wants to uh, book the tickets for a particular website, then he can click on this book now button, where the you will ask his full name of the user, the email, the address, the sport he wants to book tickets for, and the number of people who are uh, going to participate in that water sports. And using that database, we can also save this booking information, like his identity of that person and the card expiry month, uh, expiry year, so that the user don't have to repeatedly uh, input his name and credit card number. And if like a repeated user of this website comes, so he can directly insert his name and credit card number. And similarly, we have water sports such as flyboarding. Flyboarding is a relatively a new water sport that has been introduced in the last decade only, and the minimum age is 12 years, and the price for an individual is 3,500 rupees. And so it is not recommended for pregnant women, people with heart ailments, or serious medical conditions. And you can go as high as up to 30 feet in the middle of air and dive under the water and then shoot up and swim like a dolphin. Similarly, we have jet skiing. Jet skiing, we have all seen it in movies, and So this will the minimum age for doing jet skiing is around 12 years. It will be available from the month of October to May, and the duration will be 10 months. So the cost is around 1450 per head, and all the safety precautions will be taken care of, and people with heart ailments or pregnant women are not allowed to do this water sport. So these are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram handles, and this is the website that we have made. And also, this slider will show you about the images of the different water sports whose tickets can be booked on this website. That's all has been made by our team. So I'm immensely thankful to my teammates Vidush and Tejas. Thank you.